Exploring the essence of science, from observations to the branches that decode nature. Welcome to our first 9th grade biology lecture. Today, we're diving into the essence of science and its branches. Science is the pursuit of knowledge, focusing on the natural world through observation and experience. It's fascinating how science is divided into 4 main branches: biology, physics, chemistry, and surprisingly, mathematics. Biology, our focus, is the study of life. It's a word born from the Greek bios, meaning life, and logos, meaning study. Under introduction of biology, biology is the study of life and scientific observation. Importance of biology: it is important to understand the nature. It is also necessary to study the structure and function of organism. Divisions and branches of biology. Division of biology. There are 3 divisions of biology. 1. Zoology. 2. Botany. 3. Microbiology. What is zoology? It is the study of animals. Botany. It is the study of plants. Microbiology. It is the study of microorganisms. In our next class, we will study the branches of biology. Thank you.